everyone, please welcome to my channel. I'm going to change the lights on my other Hummer, which is year model 2008, and this is H2. I'm going to change the lights to LED lights. So as you can see, the original OEM lights, this is how they look on my H2 Hummer. I'll be changing to LED, and I'll show you what LED I'm going to use, and it's very easy and simple. So without wasting time, let's get started. These are the aux beam lights I'm going to use for my 2008 Hummer. This is how they look. They are very easy to install. So let's get started. So the first step will be, we're going to pop open the hood. Open the latches. I need to prune my trees. I did last week, and they grow really fast. So I'm going to close it so you can see it, how easily we can change it. It's going to pull in the front, then we pull it out. This is how the connector comes out. This is a locking nut. You take it out. And we're going to pull the OEM ball bulb. As you can see, this one we need to open it. And you twist it like this, it opens like this. And when you put it back, it goes back like that. And then it locks in. So this is the place. It opens and it locks. So in order to put this one in, and as for the orientation, it will go straight like this. Then once it's pressed in like this, it's well seated. And this is the way locking nut going to go and lock it. So in order to do that, this is what we need to do. We're going to pull this one out, and we're going to twist it, and we're going to pull this one out. As you see, this one comes out. So now we're going to put it down, this one first. See, it's seated nicely. Now we can put the locking nut like this. It will keep the LED in place. And now this is the LED we're going to put it in. And you drop it like this, and as you've seen it when I show it to you, how we open it. And I will show you the other one. As I've shown you, this is the how we're going to take it out. Just like this, then you pull it out. You put it in, then you lock it. That's the same scenario we did it. And now the locking nut is in place. The LED is not gonna go anywhere. It's firmly in place. And now, this is the connector. We're going to put it in. And this goes only one way, so you won't going to make any mistake. So we're going to press it in firmly, and it just locks in. And only one thing I would suggest, that we're going to put a tie wrap here, so this won't move. So as you've seen, I changed it on this side, so I'm going to change it the other one the same way. It's so easy, just you need to watch out how do you open the locking nut, and it's very easily opened. And as I shown you, you put it the locking nut, and then the locking nut itself on the LED. We're going to do the same thing. I'm going to pull this one up and just pull it out. And the locking nut, we'll take it out and just wiggle it, take it out. And the same thing we're going to do. First, make sure that your orientation going to go straight like this. It's very easily, you take out the locking nut, you put it in a place just like this. It's firmly pressed in. This is what you need. And when we're going to do that, then we're going to put it in and we're going to twist it. As you twist it, see, this is the way LED goes in, then it goes straight. That's the orientation. So I'm going to put the locking nut firmly in place, and I will do this. Done. And we will put this cap on. Only thing we need to do just to put a tie wrap. So that's how easy. And let me show you how the performance looks from outside. After placing the LEDs, and I will show you how the performance of these LEDs. Look at these. Super bright. I really love it. So that's how it's easy to change your original OEM bulb to LED bulb on your H2 Hummer. This is year model 2008. And if you like this video, like always, like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.